Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a Renault Clio. As you can see here, 2002 Renault Clio, just arrived. Let's take a look at this. Right guys, so we moved the car. 2002 Renault Clio. Let's get this bonnet open. So clutch is just slipping all over the place. As you can see, that cable's very slack, very slack.
Let the road lead you to your nearest Arnold Clark today and get a great free gift when you buy any used car.
See what mileage it's got on it. So, oil shaft, let's see. So 109,000. So it's definitely due a clutch. So what we're gonna do, get it jacked up, get the clutch out, get it all sorted. Nice day today. Nice area, the other side of Manchester today, so gonna get all set up, get the car jacked up, and we'll get that done for the customer today. So just had a little quick look over the engine, and there's absolutely no water in the expansion tank at all. So I'll have to get some water in that. That's probably been like that for a long time. Long time. Right, so we've got the car all set up just how we want it now. I'm going to get the wheels off. All jacked up and mats out. Right, so we just took the wheel off on the near side, and as you can see there's hardly any brake pad left at all on the brake, so they're going to need doing as well. Right guys, so I've just spoken with the customers for the Clio. I'll show you. It's Got a water leak from the thermostat housing. Absolutely no water left in it at all. The brake pads need doing, and a couple of other bits. So after speaking with them, the customers pretty much said the car's not worth fixing, so I'm not going to replace the clutch and then do all the other bits, because the value of the car is just not worth it really. So that's the end of today's video. I'm just going to put it all back together. And then move on to the next one. But thanks for watching today. Obviously the video is cut short a bit, but it is what it is. Quite a few cars have been going scrappy lately. 52 plate Renault Clio. Yeah, it is what it is. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Hi guys, so just a quick update from the Clio. What a terrible ending. Stripped the car down, put it all back together. Basically, after stripping it down, we discovered the water leak where it was coming from. It was leaking right into the clutch. Water leak alone would have caused the engine to overheat. There's no water left in the reservoir. Brake pads near enough metal on metal, and at the beginning of the job, before we started, the customer said they didn't want to keep it going for much more longer. They just wanted the clutch fixing. So after getting the customer out, explaining about the water leak, the value of the car, it wasn't really worth it. So I explained to the woman and explained to the husband. She got her husband out, explained to him exact same thing. So basically what I told them was, you could stop now. All you have to pay is the labour costs, and if you scrap the car, you get your money back, probably plus like £30–40 on top of it. So they were happy to stop the job. So we stopped the job. You know, don't pay for the extra that has to be done. It just wasn't worth it for the vehicle. So after taking it apart, putting it back together, plus 80 miles travel time, I go and knock on the door, go to give them the key back, and they don't want to pay. So what can you do there? It was explained to the woman, it was the woman's car. It was explained to the woman, explained to her husband. The costs, obviously, travel 80 miles travel, time it took to take the vehicle, strip the vehicle down, put it all back together after we made the decision not to carry on with it because of obvious reasons. It just wasn't worth it on the car. And it was explained to them the labour costs, but they just decided not to pay. They both made the decision not to go ahead with it and just stop there and get the money back after they sold it for scrap. So after paying, after giving the key back, they just didn't want to pay at all. And in my view, in my eyes, that's just a dishonest customer. I don't know how anybody could expect somebody to travel 80 miles, strip a car down, also inspect the car, tell you all the other problems that the car has to save you money in the long run. Because it would have cost them about £600–700 to fix everything they needed done to make that car roadworthy. So they were getting money back from the scrap of the car by not doing it. So they both had a choice. I asked them at the time, do you want to carry on with it? Do you not want to? They said no. Obviously explained his labour charge. Then the moment you give the key back, they don't want to pay. So in my view, that is a dishonest customer. I didn't argue with them, I didn't do anything. She started, you know, turning on the waterworks, crying, and husband, you know, actual shocked, like it wasn't explained to them multiple times. So I just turned around, got in my van and drove off. But what would you do in that situation? Would you demand payment, or I don't even know what you would do there really. Especially, I'm more disappointed and upset than anything. Actually, I has to explain to two people multiple times what you want to do with this. Obviously, there is costs involved. You don't just turn up, travel 80 miles, strip a car down, find other faults for you that you didn't know about, and do it for nothing. So let me know in the comments what you do in that situation. If you like the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.